These days, not only women, but men also take care of their skin very well. One of the major skin related problem is dark circles. Most of the people think that it is because of lack of sleep, but I don't think so. There are many other reasons which causes these dark circles. So first of all, we are going to see what are the causes of these dark circles.
Nasal congestion, sun exposure, stress, hereditary, eczema, dehydration, smoking or drinking alcohol. These are some of the reasons of dark circle.
The skin around our eyes is very delicate. It's way thinner than the skin on our face. So you have to treat it very nicely. Even I work on computers many hours a day, so that's why sometimes I get dark circles. And I have perfect solution for these dark circles, that is DIY under eye cream. So let's see how I make this under eye cream. But before jumping to the video, don't forget to like my video and also subscribe my channel and click on that bell icon to get the notification for my latest videos. So let's get started.
So first of all, we are going to take Vaseline, and here I am taking half a teaspoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, which will lock in moisture and form a protective barrier. Now we are going to take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, which is going to soothe the skin and going to protect the skin from further damage. It has great vitamins like A, C and E, which are going to lighten up the dark circles. Next, we are going to take 2 capsules of vitamin A, which are going to help us in fighting the effects of free radicals that cause signs of aging like wrinkles, and also very effective on the dark under eye circles. Now we are going to put almond oil, which is going to help us in lightening the dark circles under your eyes and reduce under eye puffiness. It contains retinol, vitamin E and vitamin K, which can keep the delicate skin under your eyes smooth without irritating it. Now I'm putting few drops of rose water, which is considered to be great for lightening stubborn dark circles. Now we are going to mix all these ingredients together for few seconds till the time we don't get a consistency like this. And now I'm going to put this cream into a neat and clean container, and I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator.
So our DIY under eye cream is all ready. Isn't it beautiful? So we are going to apply this with our ring finger, as ring finger has the least pressure. So we are going to take a little bit of this eye cream and just with this I'm going to just rub it together, and I'm going to apply it on my under eyes and just massage it gently for few seconds. It is such a cooling under eye cream, and you can keep it for 10 to 12 days in the refrigerator and apply it, and you can also apply it on your face as well, not just the under eyes. You can also use it as your night cream. Do try this and also let us know how you found this video in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and click on that bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.